This is Richard, or this was Richard, but Richard is dead. Richard Dobby had a Threads account that he was quite active on up until he passed away. And after he passed away, his wife, Anita Dix Dobby, she's the one that took it over. But this is Richard Dobby. Richard died on December 3rd, and we know that he did because his wife Anita kept making comments and has been commenting ever since he passed away. Now, here she is making a post saying, "My dear husband, I am missing you terribly. I don't know what to do with myself without you. I love you, and I will see you in heaven when I get there. My heart is aching. I can't make it stop. I love you so much." Now, this person says, "Congratulations." Now, ever since she started making all of these comments, all of these posts from Richard's page, as you can see right here. So, January, she says, "I miss my dear husband from your wife." January 10th, this is Richard's wife. He passed away on December 3rd. December 27th, she says, "This is Richard's wife. He has passed." She keeps making these posts, and she's also commenting on other people's posts. It is very interesting that Danish guy asked the question, "Is your name actually Anita Dix?" Because Richard, back in May of last year, says, "Happy birthday to my wife, Anita Dix Dobby. You're old as me now." Even though Richard is dead, Solstice came through and corrected his use of your. That definitely made me laugh. Okay, maybe his name is Danish. Maybe that's his name. But Anita pinned this comment. So people do know that this is Anita. But obviously, he is kind of making fun of her last name being Dix, considering her husband, her late husband's name is Richard. We know what Richard's nickname probably was. Okay, so that's the jokey joke. Then Danish uses this picture to say, "I'm keeping my mouth closed," because he's silencing the dog. Anita answers the question, "Yes, my last name was Dix." Obviously, this went viral for a reason. All right, Leechy Peachy says, "I have no clue who Richard is and why it is on my feed. From the comments, I gather he wasn't a good guy, loved breasts, was a cheater." Now, Genevieve says, "And owed people money." And the habitual biatch says, "Wait, what?" You can see people's replies over on Threads, and that's the reason why they know that he likes boobies. All right, so like here, this person or this account named Michelle says, "Just another selfie that I thought I looked good," and he says, "Boobies." Here are some more replies from Richard. He has a thumbs up, a little devil face. Somebody he's responding to is no longer there. He's like, "F yeah." And then somebody else he's responding to that the post is gone and says, "Yum, effing yum." And then another post, "Damn, nice boobs." You can see the replies even if the post is no longer there. That's the reason why this is so funny, because his wife is now running this page and we can all see that he was kind of a scumbag. So she's sitting up here just sad that her husband is gone, where just last year he was talking about yum yum to the boobies. Before he died, this is obviously November, he died December 3rd, and we know that he died December 3rd because his wife keeps telling us. Richard says, "Okay, man, hide your liquor, hide your women, because Dobby is coming home today." So he's out here just being community peen, all loose and lascivious, even at his very old age. Care Bear makes a comment on that in December saying, "Did he write that from up there or down there?" Never mind. He was an a-hole Trump supporter that ran his mouth and kept commenting on women's bodies like a 13-year-old while dying in a hospital bed. We know where he is. And to that, his wife says, "You all did not know my husband like I did. He was a good man." And then Care Bear says, "We can all see his online activities, Debbie." And then this person at the bottom says, a good man who likes boobies, apparently. Corey says, "I don't know Richard, but he seemed to like boobs, and I can respect that. Godspeed." Sarah shared his tombstone. It says, "Here you go, old chap. Here lies Richard, loving husband and breast enthusiast." Legend says, "Great, thanks for this. Now I am dead along with Richard." Even Panur says, "I can't breathe." This person, Rachel, says, "I need that on my headstone for real." Dude was MAGA. Back when Charlie Kirk got taken out, he says, "This assassination could start a civil war. What did he do to deserve this? Speak the truth, love Jesus, love America." And then JT, he reshared this after it went viral that he was dead, saying, "Is he in the pineapple line in hell with Charles now?" There are these bot accounts that make these posts. So this person named Shiloh says, "You got style, old man. My sister and I are widows, no child. Why are you here again?" And so they make these posts or whatnot, I guess, to create engagement. Anita thinks that because these comments or these posts are popping up in the timeline, that they are talking directly to Richard. She says, "Please stop all of the responses because my husband Richard has passed." Michael says to her, "Get Oh, as Sav says, "Please just grab someone under the age of 40 to delete this account for you. How have you not realized these posts aren't aimed at your dead husband yet?" She's like, "Please delete this account." Lufa says to inbox me, and she's still responding saying, "My husband Richard has passed." And Lufa says, "I'm sorry." We have another one of these bot accounts saying, "You've got style, old man. My name is Jenny Leitner. I'm 68, born in 1957. Here's Anita again saying, "Richard, my husband died on December 3rd." I think this is the post that made her go viral because you can see that it has 1,800 comments right here. Murray says, "I like that he didn't let end stage cancer stop him from verbally abusing people online." To that, Nova says, "What he got to lose? I do the same thing." Marco Joey says, "Exactly. He can see Charlie Kirk down there now, I guess." Now, Black Hello Kitty says he's going to see Bevan down there too. I have no idea who Bevan is. There's lots of stuff that I end up missing. Cody says, "Just know he's looking up at you from wherever he is now," and then does the prayer hands. That girl Mel says, "Literally." This person, Smedley Elizabeth, says he's probably looking up a few skirts too, given his history, because obviously he liked boobs. So looking up skirts, obviously that kind of matches. So Jesus Boy, after Anita posted that he passed, he said he is passed, and then he was breaking some chains. And then Brown Sugar Baby posted this picture with a woman breaking some chains, saying, "This is literally how I took it." Okay, so that is the story of Richard. We can all see he was a breast man. He was MAGA. He was verbally abusive. He liked to make comments on people and bots posts. And his wife still really, really liked him because she was sad and she said, "Y'all didn't know him like I did." This just goes to show you, that your imprint on social media does matter. People will dig up receipts and they will show your receipts over and over and over. So this is just your friendly reminder to clean up your footprint on social media, because you do not want to be a person that is sitting up here making responses, making all these comments about boobs, and then you up and die, and now your wife is bombarded with all these receipts that you were unfaithful and kind of a creep. So just go ahead and clean up your stuff, and actually just stop being a creep. Stop being a creep. If you are married, stop being a creep online. All right, so that is the story of Richard. I had to let y'all know because some people over on YouTube and some people over on TikTok have not heard of Richard and didn't know what this meant when people keep saying Richard has died.